In today's challenge, we need to group rows where the same combination of products is purchased, regardless of order. To solve this, we need a key for each row. Start by creating a custom column named Products. Our first step is to take those individual product columns and package them into a list structure. To do it, we will use figure brackets. This moves our data from individual cells into a format Power Query can easily manipulate. Once we have our list, we might try to combine it into a text string. Text combine function will allow us to do it, and we will use a dash as a separator. Now, if we go to group by and tell Power Query to sum the quantity based on the products column, it seems to work at first. Power Query scans the column and merges identical values. But here is the catch. Look at those two rows. One is ABC and the other is BAC. Even though they represent the same product set, Power Query treats them as different groups. It's because Power Query compares text exactly. It doesn't understand the meaning behind the list. So we need to sort the products before we combine them into text. By adding a sorting step in our formula, we force a consistent order. No matter how the row looked originally, whether it was BAC or CBA, it will always be transformed into ABC. So now our logic is stable. To recap the final formula logic, first we create the list from our product columns, then sort the list alphabetically, and then combine. After applying this sorted key, the result is exactly what we wanted. If our data grows, you should use a more dynamic approach to this formula that automatically detects all product columns and ignores empty values. See ya!